Why sour cream
Let's
pound
get
cake?
it, bitches. Yes. All right, girls. So you know what? We are going to sift our flour. So I'm sifting about 3¼ cups of flour, regular all-purpose flour. You want to sift this, it can get aerated. I'm adding a tablespoon of baking powder, and I'm adding a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Gotta have that little salt. See how that fell up in there? Oh my God. So I'm using some gel. It's gonna make it nice and moist. It's pineapple, okay? So I'm adding that in there, and we're gonna mix that for a few seconds to get those dry ingredients all together. So we are gonna set that to the side, and now I'm going to butter my oh shit, what is this? A Bundt pan. And we're gonna add our flour. We want to get our pan nice and prepared, just like this. Set that to the side. Let's get our ingredients beaten. Our stick of butter, stick of margarine, and a 1/4 cup of oil. I'm using vegetable oil, 2¼ cups of sugar. We're gonna beat that for about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how powerful your mixer is. This is a very fast hand mixer until you get it nice, light, and creamy, just like this, guys. Then we're gonna dump our 5 eggs all at once, room temperature, and I'm just gonna beat that for about 2 minutes, okay, just to get that together. Got my flavoring, some pineapple flavoring, vanilla. Then I'm gonna add my flour in threes. Start with your flour and end with your flour with some sour cream, okay, about a cup of sour cream. Do not overmix, because you will have a tough cake and you will gag, okay? So we're gonna add our third part of our flour. Do not overmix. As a matter of fact, we're gonna stop it right here, and I'm gonna use a spatula to just incorporate any remaining flour. And I'm gonna place that in my prepared pan, okay? And then I'm gonna use a knife to remove any air bubbles and smooth the top out, and put this in a preheated 325 degree oven for about 1 hour and 25 minutes. Now this is how it looks. Let her rest in there for a little bit. And of course I attempted to take it out, but she came out pretty good. She didn't act stupid, act like a fool. And then of course I had to like flip it over. Okay, and now here's our cake. I didn't add no flavoring. I'm cutting the cake. I just want to show you how it looks in the inside, because my husband don't like all that stuff on top of it. And look at this beautiful crumb. She's so moist and delicious. So I decided to have this, my love. Look at that crumb. I had to have this with some black cherry freaking ice cream. Okay, listen, call me what you want. So delicious. Guys, you can make this. This freezes very well when you wrap it nice and tight. Guys, stay true to yourself and enjoy this. Enjoy, honey.